In this video, I'm going to run through a problem-solving question showing you how to break it down for students. Let's have a look. This question is a horrible one. Students are faced with a big wall of text which can make students panic or feel lost. Some will give up straight away and not read any of it. Others will find they don't even know what the question is asking them. So this is how I would break it down for them. Firstly, we're going to read the question one sentence at a time and to pull out all the key information, which is the numbers. Then we ask the question, can I do any maths with that? If not, move on to the next sentence. Can we do any maths with this sentence? Yes, bingo. Do that maths. Chances are students have already gained marks from their working out. On the third sentence down, there's more maths to do. It's slightly more complicated than the first bit, so working out should be done to support carrying out the calculation. Some people will look at the fourth sentence and think that there's no maths in it. It looks more like a statement, but there is some maths to be done. We need to know how many people there are in the tennis club. It's really easy to make a careless mistake at this point. I looked at my working and went to add the number of left-handers rather than the total number of people in the tennis club. To avoid this kind of thing, it's best to tell students to label working out as they go. The fifth sentence is the actual question. So if a student hasn't gone bit by bit, they might get to this point and have no clue what they're doing. But because we've broken it down, we have everything we need to do the calculation. And you know what? Even if we fall at this last hurdle, we have still gained all those marks from the working out that we've done so far. Win-win. The key lesson here is to break it down, do the maths and get some marks in the bag. Thanks for watching.